Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to look at the Fimi X8 SE drone here. It looks like a Mavic clone, but is in fact newer than the Hapsan Zeno, which was released some time ago. And on paper it has good specifications. It could fly about 30 minutes with this 4500 mAh battery and has a range of 8 kilometers in distance. This is how the drone looks like. It's slightly bigger than the Hapsan Zeno. It has a 3-axis camera and a big heatsink at the bottom. And when it's open, it looks pretty big, almost the size of the Mavic Pro. And here's the size of my hand in comparison. Well, this is the controller and pretty much the same like all the other smart drones. And here's a side-by-side in comparison with the Hapsan Zeno. From the top view you could see the difference in size. Well, to test the X8 drone, we're going to head to St. John's Island, and from there we could walk to Lazarus Island to fly the drone. Alright, after half an hour we arrive on the island. And this is St. John's Island. There's a fair bit of crowd behind me. It's expected due to the pandemic, no overseas flight, so most of the locals are coming here for a short getaway. It's my first time here in my life, so it's going to be an exciting trip for me. Alright, let's look for somewhere quiet. Well, St. John's Island is a small island, so we decided to head straight to Lazarus Island to fly the drone. This is the causeway to the other side. Alright, we found a spot here which has less people. Let's launch the drone. Okay to confirm. Should take off now. Let's try hands-free. Yep, it's holding its position nicely. The yaw seems very responsive, which is good. Now let's try line of sight flying to see how it behaves. Okay, the cyclics are quite aggressive. It's definitely more responsive than my Hapsan Zeno. See how fast she goes. Now let's compare the images of the two drones side by side. The X8 seems to have a more aggressive white balance compensation and a warmer tone as compared to the colors of the Xeno, which seem to be more natural. As the wind is picking up here, let's see how the X8 performs in strong wind. Now that was a fairly quick test of the Fimi X8 SE drone here on Lazarus Island. I hope you liked the video and see you again.